Welcome everyone to HFN. Today is November the 24th, 2019, where we trade different. We are going to give you all an update on Litecoin. Definitely the market has went against our previous forecast, and this is something important in regards to what we're seeing on the long-term price charts on a weekly to monthly time frame. Okay. Again, but before I get started, I also want to remind each and every one of you, if this is your first time, hit that subscribe button, like and share the video, follow us on Twitter and on Facebook. We do have a website, HueFinancial.com, if you want to follow all of our other forecast price movements that we're seeing in the cryptocurrency space, as well as in the stock market. So now, here we are. Let me break down to tell you what we expected the market to do in Litecoin right here on the 17th of November. Okay, we were suspecting the market in Litecoin to see some higher prices, and immediately following the next day, Litecoin came and hit our support area of around $56. Right there's where it closed at. And given that situation and scenario, one would have to think, okay, maybe this is not going according as I expected. That was our first indication. Now, we would have kept it on in our particular situation on this forecast. We would have kept it alive. But then the next following day, we closed a little bit lower than our expectations. So that is when we would have given out of this forecast and saying that it was not going to go the way that we expected it. So that would have been about a 7.5% loss in the market in that forecast. Okay, so given that, definitely that was not an accurate forecast for Litecoin. So what we're going to do, take that as a lesson and move on to the next forecast. Okay, so now this is what I wanted to talk about, which is why I'm saying that this video is very important, is that on a weekly time frame, you guys can tell precisely that the market in Litecoin is giving us a major sign of impending weakness. And this is the first reason right here. It has broken a very key area of support. Okay, that is not positive. That's one reason why the market in Litecoin is anticipated to continue to see bearish action and movement to the downside. The next reason is because this current weekly bar is very massive and wide. Now, the volume is not there, but just the amount of spread tells you that the interest is not there to at least maintain support above $50, and then the interest in higher prices is not being revealed. Okay, so those two reasons is the reason why in the long term we're looking for Litecoin to continue to see lower prices. The monthly chart in Litecoin is also given the same weakness. We do have 6 more days in the month of November, so this can definitely change. But given the likelihood of what we're seeing right now, over the last 6 months, including this month, a lot of weakness is present in Litecoin. So in the long term, the market in Litecoin does not look positive to see some higher prices at the moment. We're going to expect continual weakness to come through the market in Litecoin. First area of support that we are going to eye is going to be around $42 to around $40 for support. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a short position into the market for that, and let's see how much of a difference so that would be about 11.5% in the long term of the market in Litecoin having to move to the downside. Okay, the daily time frame, you guys can still see here that weakness is present. As I zoom out, you guys can tell that the only support that we're finding into the market is not really that strong. It's right there around $45.30, 25 cents, give or take. Okay, as I zoom out, I still suspect that we may have a little bit lower to move into the market in Litecoin. Support can be around $40 to around $41. So that's what we're going to anticipate into the market in Litecoin. It's the market to try to hit that $40 location. Small time frame, you guys can tell that we are trying to maintain some support once again in the market in Litecoin. You can tell by the amount of volume that's coming in on that current 4-hour bar. 3-hour chart, still seeing some indications of weakness coming through the market too though. So let's go back and play this on the daily time frame of the market in Litecoin, pursuing some lower prices. And we said around $40 to be support. So that is where we're going to play the market. Bring it up just a tad though. So about another 9% market move to the downside is anticipated in Litecoin. I'll bring this down a little bit further. So this is how we're going to play into the market in Litecoin now. The weekly time frame, monthly time frame, all looks weak for the long term. So we're definitely expecting the market in Litecoin to continue to see lower prices in the long term. We're going to play this on the daily time frame. Our TP will be at $44 if we do see some strength coming to the market in Litecoin. So there you are. Very important update for the price action of Litecoin. Let us know your comments. Leave us one in the comment section of this video. And as always, trade different. And I'll see you all on the next one.